Lesson: Aligning privacy compliance with organizational goals. Aligning privacy compliance with organizational goals is a critical endeavor for modern businesses, as it not only ensures adherence to legal standards, but also fosters trust with stakeholders, enhancing overall business value. The convergence of privacy compliance and business objectives requires an integrated approach that leverages practical tools, frameworks, and actionable strategies. This lesson provides a comprehensive examination of how organizations can effectively align these seemingly distinct priorities, ensuring compliance while simultaneously driving business success. To begin, it is essential to recognize that privacy compliance is no longer an afterthought, but a strategic component of business operations. The increasing complexity of data protection regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act, mandates organizations to not only protect personal data, but also integrate privacy considerations into their core business processes. This integration can be achieved through the adoption of privacy by design, a framework that embeds privacy into the development and operation of IT systems, networked infrastructure, and business practices. By implementing PBD, organizations can proactively address privacy risks while maintaining operational efficiency and innovation. A practical application of privacy by design involves the incorporation of data protection impact assessments at the outset of any project that involves significant data processing activities. DPIAs help organizations identify and mitigate privacy risks before they materialize, aligning with both compliance requirements and business objectives. For example, a financial institution implementing a new customer relationship management system can conduct a DPIA to ensure that customer data is handled in compliance with relevant regulations, while also optimizing the system's capabilities to enhance customer engagement and satisfaction. Another critical framework that facilitates the alignment of privacy compliance with organizational goals is the NIST Privacy Framework. Developed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, this framework provides a structured approach for managing privacy risks through a set of core functions: identify, govern, control, communicate, and protect. By adopting this framework, organizations can systematically address privacy concerns, ensuring that they align with broader business strategies such as risk management, customer trust, and competitive advantage. To illustrate, consider a technology company that collects user data to improve product offerings. By leveraging the NIST privacy framework, the company can identify the specific privacy risks associated with data collection, establish governance policies to manage these risks, implement controls to protect user data, communicate transparently with stakeholders about data practices, and ultimately protect the data from unauthorized access or breaches. This comprehensive approach not only ensures compliance, but also enhances the company's reputation and customer loyalty, driving business growth. The integration of privacy compliance with business objectives also necessitates the use of effective tools and technologies. Data mapping tools, for instance, provide organizations with a clear understanding of the data they collect, process, and store, enabling them to manage data flows in accordance with privacy regulations. These tools can be particularly useful for multinational corporations that operate across jurisdictions with varying privacy laws. By maintaining an accurate inventory of data assets, organizations can streamline compliance efforts and reduce the risk of regulatory penalties. Moreover, privacy-enhancing technologies such as encryption, anonymization, and pseudonymization offer practical solutions for protecting sensitive data while enabling its use for business purposes. For example, a healthcare provider can use anonymization techniques to safeguard patient information when conducting medical research, ensuring that the data remains compliant with privacy laws while contributing to valuable scientific advancements. By integrating PETs into their operations, organizations can achieve a balance between privacy protection and data utility, supporting both compliance and business innovation. Organizational culture also plays a pivotal role in aligning privacy compliance with business goals. A strong culture of privacy awareness can be cultivated through regular training and education programs that emphasize the importance of data protection and its impact on business success. Employees should be encouraged to adopt a privacy-conscious mindset, understanding that safeguarding personal data is not just a regulatory requirement, but a business imperative. For instance, an e-commerce company can conduct privacy workshops for its staff, highlighting how data breaches can erode customer trust and damage the brand's reputation, thereby affecting sales and profitability. Additionally, leadership commitment is crucial for fostering a privacy-centric organizational culture. Executives and managers should lead by example, demonstrating their dedication to privacy compliance and its alignment with business objectives. This can be achieved by setting clear privacy policies, allocating resources for compliance initiatives, and incorporating privacy metrics into performance evaluations. By prioritizing privacy at the highest levels of the organization, companies can ensure that it becomes an integral part of their strategic vision and operational practices. Case studies further illustrate the effectiveness of aligning privacy compliance with organizational goals. One notable example is Microsoft, which has successfully integrated privacy into its business strategy by adopting robust privacy frameworks and investing in privacy-enhancing technologies. By prioritizing user privacy and transparency, Microsoft has not only achieved compliance with global privacy regulations, but also gained a competitive edge in the technology market, reinforcing its brand as a trusted provider of digital services. Statistics also underscore the benefits of aligning privacy compliance with business objectives. According to a study by Cisco, organizations that invest in privacy initiatives experience shorter sales delays, fewer data breaches, and greater agility in responding to regulatory changes. These findings highlight the tangible business advantages of privacy compliance, demonstrating that it is not merely a cost center, but a driver of operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, aligning privacy compliance with organizational goals is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a strategic approach encompassing practical tools, frameworks, and organizational culture. By adopting privacy by design, leveraging the NIST privacy framework, implementing privacy-enhancing technologies, and fostering a privacy-centric culture, organizations can achieve compliance while advancing their business objectives. As demonstrated by real-world examples and supported by empirical evidence, this integrated approach not only mitigates privacy risks, but also enhances business value, reinforcing the critical role of privacy in the modern organizational landscape.